Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D here. So today I'm going to show you how I prep this laundry room floor for the drain. This it looks like before I put the drain in. Now this happens on your newer type of homes. This is a newer home here, brand new builded house pretty much. So you know, they like to have, anytime you have a laundry on the second floor, you're going to want to make that floor waterproof and have a drain there. So what I had to do here is put a Schluter Drain in. Now I had to get it really down tight to the plywood, pretty much flush with the Ditra, because if not, you're gonna have a hump there, just not gonna, you know, be right. So the hole usually for a Ditra drain to go down is about 4.5 inches. Now when you want to have it all the way down, have the flange pretty much flush with the Ditra, you have to make it, if I remember correctly, about 6 inches, so that whole bottom part's recessed in there. You only have the flange on top. So I cut out a 6-inch hole here in this 3/4 inch plywood. Using a Ditra trowel to set it on the bottom there, and I believe I put some on the back of the flange as well. Basically, and put it down so like you would in a shower, and I'll show you the next step from there. Okay, once I get the drain here set, now to get it nice and flush with the Ditra, or relatively really close, what I had to do here is there's holes in the perimeter of the flange here, so I'm just taking short screws just to grab the plywood. I believe these are about 1.25 inches. You want to use you know, your same screws you use for your board and shower, cement board screws, whatever is going to hold up, you know, for the water. It won't rust out. So I'm just going to go around the perimeter, screw it down, and then once that's done, I'm going to wrap this whole thing in Curdy, and we're going to be completely watertight. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like when everything is said and done. I just like to clean up with a sponge, get all the excess thin set off there. Just makes it look nice and clean of an installation. So this laundry room floor will be completely waterproof, and if they ever did have like some water that spilled out, you know, it would contain it within this whole room. Now if it gets to the door, we got a different story and then go out there, but essentially this is whole waterproof, and let's say they do have a flood, they could push it right down to the drain, and you have a long lasting install to go. I appreciate you guys tuning in this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Donnie D signing off.